स्लैट एग्जाम इज वन ऑफ द वेरी फ्यू एग्जाम्स फॉर लॉ एंट्रेंस इन इंडिया जहां पे इंटरव्यू देना पड़ता है स्टूडेंट्स को टू गेट इनटू द लॉ कॉलेज। एंड इसीलिए बच्चों जो सिम्बायोसिस है ना, वो अपने इंटरव्यू सेशन को बहुत ही सीरियसली लेते हैं और वही बच्चे इसको क्लियर कर पाते हैं जो अपने टेस्ट 1 एंड 2 के बाद अपने इंटरव्यू में अच्छा परफॉर्म कर पाते हैं। दिस वीडियो इज विद एन एसएलएस पुणे स्टूडेंट अश्मित देवनाथ, जिन्होंने पिछले साल स्लैट का एग्जाम दिया, क्लियर किया और इंटरव्यू में भी बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया। इस वीडियो में वो टिप्स बताने वाले हैं अपनी साइड से जो तुम्हें ध्यान रखनी चाहिए बिफोर एंड ड्यूरिंग योर इंटरव्यू सेशन, इंक्लूडिंग योर सीवी एज वेल एज ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू। लेकिन बच्चों, एक इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट था जो मुझे तुम सबके साथ करना था कि अगर तुम ये वीडियो तब देख रहे हो जब तुम्हारा स्लैट एग्जाम हो चुका है एंड यू आर होपफुल कि तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू कॉल जरूर आएगा, या फिर तुम्हें ऑलरेडी इंटरव्यू कॉल अब आ चुका है बच्चों, वी आर रनिंग अ स्लैट इंटरव्यू प्रोग्राम व्हिच इज स्पेशली फॉर स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू डू ग्रेट इन देयर इंटरव्यू राउंड। अब चाहे अगर आप एक ऐसे स्टूडेंट है जिसको सीवी बनाने में परेशानी हो रही है, आप वैसे कॉन्फिडेंट है, या फिर आपको सीवी में भी परेशानी हो रही है, आप वैसे भी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट है और आपको बहुत नर्वस फील होता है टू सिट इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल एंड टू आंसर देयर क्वेश्चंस, या फिर अगर आप कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स है अच्छा बेटर परफॉर्म करना चाहते हैं अपने स्लैट के इंटरव्यू में, दिस प्रोग्राम इज एक्जैक्टली फॉर यू बच्चों। इट इज अ वेरी पॉकेट फ्रेंडली प्रोग्राम बच्चों, सिर्फ 2999 का, मैं पहले बता देती हूँ। इसमें तुम्हें मिलेगा कंप्लीट सीवी कंस्ट्रक्शन बच्चों, यानी स्क्रैच से हम आपकी सीवी को बनाएंगे विच इज एक्जैक्टली ऑन द पैटर्न ऑफ द स्लैट प्रोग्राम। ठीक है, जो स्लैट वाले जिस तरह की सीवी मांगते हैं, जैसे एक अच्छी आइडियल सीवी होती है ना बच्चों, आपको वो मिलेगी। अलॉन्ग विद दैट आपको 10 मास्टर सैंपल सीवीज मिलेंगी, यानी कि उन स्टूडेंट्स की सीवी जो ऑलरेडी अभी एसएलएस पुणे में पढ़ रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट आपको मिलेंगे 3 मॉक पर्सनल इंटरव्यूज जो स्लैट के मेंटोर्स की गाइडेंस में होगा, वही आपका इंटरव्यू लेंगे। एंड देन आपको मिलेगी बच्चों एक मोस्ट प्रोबेबल एफएक्यू की लिस्ट, जो सबसे ज्यादा पूछे जाने वाले क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो भी, और आपकी सीवी के अकॉर्डिंग आपसे कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं हम उसको भी प्रिपेयर करवाएंगे। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस यू विल बी अंडर डायरेक्ट गाइडेंस ऑफ एसएलएस पुणे मेंटोर्स एंड मी। सो ये प्रोग्राम बच्चों आपकी इस जर्नी को बहुत इजी बना देगा एंड विद इन 7 to 8 days यू विल बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट योर स्लैट इंटरव्यू। देखो, मैं ना उस पॉइंट को भी एड्रेस करना चाहती हूँ जो तुम्हें काइंड ऑफ लग रहा होगा कि अरे यार क्यों ही मैं 2999 रुपीज दूं एंड मैं ऐसी तैयारी कर लूंगा, या मैं बाकी जो मेरे कोई अवेलेबल मेंटोर्स हैं या उनसे मैं पूछ लूंगा या अपने फ्रेंड से पूछ लूंगा करके। द ओनली थिंग इज बच्चों कि जब तुम स्लैट के फॉर्म में पैसे खर्च कर सकते हो, स्लैट के सिम्बायोसिस की फीस इतनी ज्यादा है, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर बच्चों कि तुम उस चीज को वेस्ट नहीं जाने दे रहे हो। चलो फीस तो बाद में तुम भरोगे, तुमने स्लैट की तैयारी करी है ना, यू हैव टेकन द एग्जाम सीरियसली एंड दिस इज योर एग्जाम ओनली। एंड फॉर दैट बच्चों की आपकी पूरी लाइफ आगे एक अच्छे कॉलेज में आपको मिल सकती है, एक अच्छे करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपके लिए ओपन हो सकते हैं। 2999 इज द लीस्ट दैट यू कैन पे। ओके, सो प्लीज बच्चों इस अमाउंट को हिंड्रेंस में मत आने देना। जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट, आपकी पूरी सीवी बन जाएगी, आपको 3 मॉक पीआईज मिलेंगे, एफएक्यू की लिस्ट मिलेगी, मेंटोर्स का सपोर्ट मिलेगा जस्ट फॉर 2999। ठीक है, सो स्क्रीन पे दिए हुए नंबर्स पे आप कॉल कर सकते हो टू नो अबाउट द इंटरव्यू प्रोग्राम। और बच्चों मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इस वीडियो की इसका लिंक भी डाल दिया है, तो आप वहां से भी सारी डिटेल्स ले सकते हो। एंड बाय द वे बच्चों, अगर तुम्हें स्लैट से रिलेटेड कुछ स्टडी मटेरियल चाहिए, जैसे कि कुछ करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चंस भी पूछते हैं आपके इंटरव्यू में, उन सब चीजों के लिए चाहिए, कुछ फ्री सेशंस अगर आप लेना चाहते हो बच्चों, तो हमारा स्लैट का ग्रुप भी बिल्कुल ओपन है आप सबके लिए, वो बिल्कुल फ्री है। उसका लिंक भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी, आप उसे भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो और कुछ फ्री रिसोर्सेज से भी अपनी तैयारी कर सकते हो। ऑलराइट, ओके, सो विद दिस लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। और आपका अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन होगा इस आने वाले पार्ट के बारे में, तो आप कॉमेंट्स में डाल सकते हो। विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ठीक है, so now what according to you Ashmit would be the best way to introduce oneself in the interview, like how it goes? First they put up the questions, or it is on to you to first go sit or ask for permission, or what do you do? Like what is it?
So what happens is it's absolutely upon the discretion of the panelists. They may ask you to introduce yourself, they may not. If they do not ask you to introduce yourself, it's your duty to introduce yourself, because an interview is always upon that the candidate first introduces himself or herself. So they have marks on it. If they don't ask you and even you do not introduce yourself, maybe they'll deduct marks, who knows. But if they ask you, obviously you should go about introducing yourself. Yes, introduction includes your name, like you say I am, for example, I'm Anand Tiwari, I am from so and so city, from so and so state, and you also get to know some special thing about that city, so you can add it into the introduction, so that makes you stand out. So everybody would say okay, I am Ashmit, I'm from Kolkata, and I'm from this, but you can add that I am from the city of joy, Kolkata, I am from this thing, and you can know about your city because they may ask you about GI tags from a city. They may, if you're putting if you're putting your interest as intellectual property laws, they may ask you about GI tags. What are GI tags? What is the GI tag of your place? Right. So this is how it goes about. So one thing which you say, the interviewer would ask questions from that. So you have the opportunity to actually direct your way of comfort. So that is it.
I think this is really wonderful. I think an aspirant totally has a chance of taking an interview in his own favor. Let's say if somebody's from Lucknow, बच्चों अगर current affairs पढ़ रहे हो तो Lucknow has become the city of gastronomy. Mention it that I'm from Lucknow and I'm totally very much proud that Lucknow has been pronounced as, city of gastronomy by UNESCO. Now जब ये smart बन के बोलोगे पढ़ के चले जाना कि पहली city कौन सी थी gastronomy की, UNESCO करता क्या, because you are inviting them to ask questions from that. ठीक है? So I have seen many times, Ashmit, I've seen many like not for the Slack because वो तो open होते ही नहीं, but otherwise जैसे interviews वगैरह होते हैं तो candidates are very smart at the moment because they draw the flow of the interview. वो बात ही उस topic पे ज्यादा करते हैं जिसके बारे में वो बात करवाना चाहते हैं panelists से, right?
Even the panelists look for this, that how smart you are. If you're actually blank there, then that is not something they're looking for.
Obviously. Right. So, भाई lawyer बनने जा रहे हो, however, ठीक है? So you should obviously, be an interesting person to talk to, and you should have, that kind of a comfort aura that a person would want to talk to you. I think that's a very important trait, and genuinity plays a very important role in that. And little charm does no harm. I think that's a very genuine thing to say. ठीक है? Okay. So, how many people, Ashwin, this is the next question for you. How many people are there in the panel and how does it happen? Like you sit at your home, you get a link to participate in it, or like, how does it happen? What is the process?
Yes. So, prior to the interview बहुत बाद में होती है. उसके पहले जो CV building होती है, फिर everything we have to actually accumulate and compile and we have to send them. That is the most tedious work you have to do. And that is the most technical work you have to do because if you're not technically sound, maybe you are going to be eliminated because not many students are technically sound, and this is also a way through which they check your technical soundness because you have to submit everything to the portal, you have to do everything, so it actually requires technicality. So that is the first thing that is very tedious to do. अभी भी मुझे याद है कि रात के 2 बज रहे थे and I was uploading the things and बहुत ही होते हैं, तो ऐसा था. And then when on the interview day, always try. When you'll be getting the call for the interview, you'll be just sent a mail. So वहाँ पे you try to book your interview seats at the earliest because the more the earlier, the better, the fresher the panelists remain, and the better clarity you get in your interview. जितना लेट हो जाएगा, panelists are also very cribbed up. वो भी सारा दिन बच्चों को देखते हैं, and then they also get irritated, and maybe they don't ask questions. Maybe you had the potential, but they didn't see the potential in you. ये एक चीज होता है. Always try to book your seats at the earliest. बाकी there are 2 panelists. One would be asking you general questions, and one would be asking you technical questions, maybe from law, from other topics about the country, how the country functions, from the constitution, from current affairs. This is one panelist. Another panelist asks about what you have written in the CV, other things like extracurriculars, or your marks, what you have written. So that is it.
Okay, makes sense. So, Bacho, one tip I think is a golden tip that you just got, from Ashmit is that when you get the call for your interview over your mail, try to book the earliest slot possible. It's not like a Viva, जो हमारे स्कूल में होता है कि जितना लेट पहुंचेंगे उतने questions पता चल जाएंगे क्योंकि ultimately there is nobody to tell you the questions. But the panelists would be ultimately, changing seats and, they'll be looking at hundreds of students just like you. So आपके लिए कुछ बड़ा exciting आप prepare करके गए होगे, उनको हो गया होगा कि अरे भाई ठीक है, tell me something new. Because वो उनसे भी बेहतर आंसर शायद सुन चुके होंगे या उनसे बेहतर भी नहीं तो थक चुके होंगे by the moment your 5th day, 7th day, 12th day, whenever you choose to take the interview, or like however it is, ठीक है? So जब पहुंच गए हो interview तक, take the fresh start, and I think the earlier the better, and I think that will be a very good tip for you. So all in all, Ashmit, if I were to ask you that overall interview ka level, what is the level of difficulty in the interview? And what if, I miss some answers? Of course, there might be chances that I'm not able to answer a few things, maybe technical. देखो बच्चों, अगर technicality पे I think answer नहीं दे पा रहे हो तो तब भी कोई अलग बात है. But अगर आपके बारे में भी आप answer नहीं दे पा रहे हो, I think nothing can be worse than that कि, you are stuttering on to speaking about yourself or your place of origin or things like that. Okay. But still 3 questions would be here, Ashmit. What is the overall difficulty level of the interview? Second, if I am not able to, tackle any questions, how about, what is the impact of it? And how about I, turn things into my favor still? ठीक है. And third would be what would be the overall types of questions in the interview overall, right? As you said, technical and those, but एक flow या कितना duration रहता है interview का, that would be the thing.
Right. So duration is absolutely, first I'll start with what is the difficulty of the interview. Difficulties of the interview is absolutely based on your CV. So you have to know what you have written in the CV. This only makes a difference. And later the technical parts, it's general knowledge. So what I was asked in my interview is regarding parliament. So if you are preparing for law, you must be knowing how a parliament functions, who make up the parliament, how are the debates going on in the parliament, who presides over the parliament, what are the sessions of the parliament. So you please get well versed through all of these concepts, because this is a basic thing which the panelists expect from you, that you are at least well versed with what are the things going on around you. Also, they ask questions regarding your preferences. For example, if one writes that I want to go into judiciary, they'll be asking questions to you from judiciary. They'll be asking questions: how are the courts functioning? What is the hierarchy of the courts? What are the district courts responsible for? How do the civil courts function? How many judges are presently there in Supreme Court? Who is the woman judge present in the Supreme Court? Who is the judge who recently retired from the Supreme Court? What is the recent principle that you liked about some judge who said? For example, Justice Surya Kant recently commented, and also the outgoing Chief Justice Gawai. They recently commented that we want to interpret the things according to Swadeshi principles. So you incorporate these things into your answer. They'll not ask you anything separately. They tell me about what Justice Gawai told. You incorporate in your answer through your own skills, and show them that how much you are actually updated and how much interested you actually are in this field. You have to actually advertise yourself to make them choose you. So that was about the difficulty and how you should go about the interview, how you should make yourself stand out. And what was the next question, ma'am?
It was like, if I am not able to answer any question, then
Right.
how would I tackle that?
Even I wasn't able to answer a question. So that actually makes no difference. That only the way you handle the situation only shows your maturity. And sometimes not being able to answer a question may also go in your favor, because the panelists see how maturely you handle the situation. You don't get over panicked, you don't get over stressed, and you still just make your composure, and you sit in the interview and you just go for the next questions. So it's not something that, you have missed one question and everything is gone. Not at all. Just show how mature you are in handling the situation.
Okay, very well. And इसी में last was that what is an average duration of an interview? Like,
it depends upon the discretion of the interviewers. It may be 5 minutes if they're interested in you. If not interested in you, they may end in 5 minutes. They may, like for me, it was 15 minutes. So that was an average duration. Baki to, I have heard from my friends that their interviews also went on for 30 minutes. So that is also the maximum upper limit that you can consider. But for me, it was 15 minutes. Most of the people got 15 minutes interview.
Very well. So I think, Ashmit, one thing all of them really want to know. I think we are quite sorted with the interview process, guys. I think I myself am totally able to imagine the process. पता है, मतलब if I were to also take SLAT paper ना, मुझे feel नहीं होता शायद कि मैं पहली बार पेपर दे रही हूँ, because Ashmit has taken us so well through the journey, guys. We have to compliment him for the fact, because I can totally now you guys also, I think अब तुम लोग पेपर में बैठोगे या फिर जब तुम इंटरव्यू दोगे तो you will be able to see कि हाँ ठीक है, अश्मित भैया, अश्मित sir told us about this कि हाँ ये होता है, ठीक है, and we don't have to be nervous about it, CV and everything. बाकी guys, you don't have to worry for the interview thing. I will definitely try to bring in Ashmit for more detailed help and maybe mock interviews and everything also. So just stay in touch, ठीक है. Dress code for the interview.
Okay, so there please don't wear anything which is very, very, not inappropriate, in the sense that don't be too much inclined to style, because that's not what they search for in you. You can dress anything which is inappropriate. Generally it is preferred that you dress up in formals, Indian or Western, that is fine. So that is it. Dress code. What I did was I was in Western formals. If possible, put on a blazer. If you don't have a blazer, no problem. Just be in formals and be appropriate.
So I hope बच्चों that you like the interview session with Ashmit, and by the way Ashmit is also one of the mentors जो हमारे SLAT interview program में आपकी CV बनाने से लेके आपके interview तक में help करेंगे. And do not forget to check out this program बच्चों, link description में. और हाँ, आने वाले कई सारे exams और updates के लिए इस channel को subscribe जरूर कर लेना. It will be really helpful for you. So see you all in the upcoming videos. All the best.